Hello friend, I am Ablas. Today I am presenting here to the under topic to CFD and previous lecture to discuss the what is CFD and previous lecture discussed to the what is the grid line, what is the discretization, what is the structure, what is the unstructure like a discretization problem. And today I am presenting here how does a CFD code work. CFD code works like any problems, any fluid problem like a structure on the numerical algorithm, any fluid problem find out to the CFD code works. To the input problem process content to the fluid results and likely three main problem to the CFD code works like first is pre-processing pre-processor the second is solver, third is post processor, third post processor. Three step to involve to the CFD code works to pre-processor, solver, post-processor. Then we discuss about to the CFD code work, pre-processor, solver, post-processor. How to under the pre-processor work, how to under the solver processor work, how to under the post-processor work inside. Then today I am discuss about to brief idea for pre-processor and next lecture to I am discuss to the solver and the post processor. Then now start to the pre-processor process. Then I am talking about to the CFD code work under to the first step to pre-processor problem. We brief discuss about the pre-processor code works CFD. Then I am start to the pre-processor problem. The pre-processor consists to the any fluid problem taken to the pre-processor idea to an input fluid flow problem like a taken to the first step to the taken geometry, any like first step to grid generation. What is I am discuss about the previous video what is the grid line, what is the grid, what is the structure, what is the unstructure and a brief idea उसमें हमने पूरा डिटेल में करके बताया है कि how to discretization solve to the idea. Then I am talking about to the pre-processor. Then I am talking about the pre-processor solver. So I am taking to any like a geometry, any fluid flow for the x direction and y direction to any input, the input flow to the by taking the solve. Any fluid flow to enter the preprocessor input by taking the solver to solve to the pi's value, discretization, to the integration equation, finite value method, finite element method, finite element method to solve to the solver. Then I am talking about to preprocessor stage involves are अब इसके अंदर अंदर क्या क्या स्टेज इन्वॉल्व होंगे वो हम देखने जा रहे हैं। First is definition of geometry. First is definition of geometry. हमने बताया कि फर्स्ट स्टेप इसमें यही करते हैं कि ज्योमेट्री हम देख लेते हैं। एनी फ्लूइड प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी फ्लूइड फ्लो कराते हैं तो वो सॉल्वर कनेक्ट करके तब उसकी वैल्यू हमें देता है इंटीग्रेशन में। तो फर्स्ट इज डिफिनेशन ऑफ ज्योमेट्री। First is definition of geometry. Under the geometry, to the solve to the domain of geometry, domain of geometry. First solve to the domain of geometry, to the computational domain, to the then I will discuss about to the domain of geometry. I have taken to the geometry. Any geometry? One second.
बंद करेंगे।
I have taken to one rectangle geometry. Then start to the grid. The first step start to the grid generation. First step start to the grid generation. Grid generations to the like our meshing to the problem to finite to non-overlap to the grid line. Non-overlap, the most important thing to non-overlapping to the grid line, to the grid structure to form to the this is called to grid line. I have discussed brief idea to previous lecture to what is grid line, what is grid, what is a structure, what is unstructured, and brief idea to previous lecture. This is the grid line to the form to the like a structure form. This is called to the grid, this is called to the grid, the structure form structure. Then first step to the grid generation. Grid just how to involve to grid line to like a meshing to parts of the small particles, small lines, cells, and find to the control value, find out to the control value. Any problem to solve to the control value, I am find out to the control value. Then for next step to the selection of the physical and chemical problem. Physical and chemical problem to phenomena of the modeler. Then any fluid flow to the x direction. I have taken to one geometry. The three wall to the stationary and the stationary wall, one wall to the moving to the any fluid flow for x direction to the x direction fluid flow and to taken to the modeler solve to the pre-processor problem. And next is to the definition of fluid property. चेक करेंगे आपकी फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है जो इसमें पूरी तरीके से सॉल्व हो सके. Then next is the find good solution of fluid flow problem like a velocity. The solution find out to the solution, find out to the control value, find out control value, velocity, pressure, temperature, like etc. The velocity, pressure, temperature, like a etc. to any fluid flow problem, to find out the velocity, pressure, temperature, any control value find out. Then notes of the cell, the physical problem and chemical problem. Examples are a turbulence model and relative heat transfer model, like a combustion model. Main fluid flow problem like to solve under to the preprocessor model. Any geometry fluid flow problem like a velocity, find out velocity, pressure, temperature, any point, any distance point to preprocessor problem. The next step is to the solver. Next step is the post processor. I am discuss about to the next lecture. Thank you.